Step 1. Find a medium-sized container, preferably plastic, to seal out moisture, bugs, that is able to hold at least 2 small blankets. Step 2. Purchase or find the following items: a whistle, a permanent marker, a small radio, preferably a self-powered radio, a flashlight, preferably a self-powered flashlight, a medium-sized pack of batteries, canned food or power bars, a hand-powered can opener, a few small plastic dishes and silverware, 2 small blankets, a phone, a few water bottles, a first aid kit, band-aids, cloth, money, preferably small bills, a car charger for your cell phone, medicines, a spare set of keys to your vehicle and home, an extra change of clothes for each person, anything you may need for pets, anything you may need for children, a multi-purpose knife. Step 3. Put all of the objects into the medium-sized container. Step 4. Put the container in the shelter/closet/safe room where you will be if there is a tornado warning. Step 5. Store bicycle helmets and sneakers in the shelter for each person. Step 6. Store your documents safely in the interior shelter, along with the recent copy of one of your utility bills. If your neighborhood is wiped out, you'll need to prove to authorities that you live there.